Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back to another video. This time, we're going to talk about the 10 most important tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now, there are a lot of customization for the Samsung Galaxy Buds, but the 10 are the ones I believe you must know about it. So, without wasting much time, let's jump directly into the video. Let's start with the first one, which is pairing. I've done a separate video about pairing the Samsung Galaxy Buds to any Bluetooth device. I'll drop the link in the description below. But to pair the Samsung Galaxy Buds to a smartphone, like the Galaxy phones like this is my Galaxy Note 9, is very simple. You pop it open just like this, and you wait for a few seconds. And there we go. You have this window here. You tap on connect, and you wait for a few seconds. And that's it. It's already connected. It gives you the battery percentage of the left and the right earbud. So pairing the Samsung Galaxy Bud to any Galaxy devices is very simple. But on other devices like the TV, the PlayStation, the tablet, the iPad Pro, it's different. I recommend you guys to watch the video. I'll drop the link in the description below. The first thing to do once you pair up your Samsung Galaxy Bud to your Samsung Galaxy device, your smartphone, is to get into the Galaxy wearable application. You tap on it just like this. Then you customize the touchpad. You get into it. Now you can customize the left earbud and the right earbud. So you tap on the left. You can either choose quick ambient sound, or volume down. The next on the right, you can either choose Bixby, quick ambient sound, or volume up. So as you can see mine here, the left earbud is Bixby. So when I tap and hold, it activates Bixby. And the second, which is the right earbud, is quick ambient sound. That means when you tap and hold, it pauses the music so you can hear your surrounding. So this one is a great customization. So that's the first thing you must do once you pair up your Galaxy Bud to your smartphone. With the Samsung Galaxy Buds, you can control music and calls by simply tap and swipe. So for example, if you want to pause and play, you tap once for play, tap once for pause. If you want to skip to the next track, you double tap 1, 2, you move to the next track, and the previous track, you tap thrice, triple, 1, 2, 3. Goes back to the previous track, double tap, next track, triple tap to the previous track. So very simple. And for answered call, you double tap to answer a call or double tap to reject calls. Now you tap and hold for activating things like Bixby, as you can see right here. What time is it? So that's how you do it. So you can control everything by simply tap and swipe on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. The next tip and trick is how to avoid accidental touches. So to do that, you simply lock the touchpad. Now you get into the Galaxy wearable app, you scroll down to touchpad, and as you can see right here, lock touchpad. So when you tap on it, as you can see, nothing functions. Let's try it out. Let's get into music. You tap on it, it doesn't work. Why? Because it's the best way to avoid accidental touches. So the touchpad is locked. And this is good, especially at the moment when you're doing things like exercises or you're jogging, running. It's good to activate the lock touchpad. So if you want to deactivate it, you get back into the wearable app, you tap on it, and it deactivates. Now you can control music just like this. So that's how you lock touchpad on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. And when you're listening to music and you want to automatically pause the music, you simply take out both earbuds. It automatically pauses. As you can see right here, let's put it back. It's playing. You take out both earbuds from your ear. It automatically pauses the music. So that's what we call auto pause. So this is good, especially if you want to have a conversation with somebody. You simply take out both earbuds. It automatically pauses the music. And when you put it back, it doesn't start playing like the Apple AirPods. That's one good thing with the Apple AirPods. When you put it back in the ear, it automatically starts playing the music. But with the Galaxy Bud, it automatically pauses it, but it doesn't auto playback. So that's one thing with the Samsung Galaxy Bud. So you put it in your ear, you take them out, it pauses. The next on the list is how to manage the notifications on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. To do that, you get into the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app, then you scroll down to notifications, and the first thing to do is to make sure to turn it on, just like this. And once you turn it on, you get into manage notifications. You choose the applications that you want to be receiving notification from on the Samsung Galaxy Buds, or like mine, you turn it on for everything. And the next thing to do is to get into read aloud while using the phone. So once you get a notification, the Samsung Galaxy Buds is going to read it while you're using the phone, or even when you're not using the phone, it's going to read it and let you know which notification is it and from what application it's coming from. So this is a great feature that you must turn it on in the notification. Find My Earbuds is a very important feature on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So you get into the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app, then you scroll down to Find My Earbuds. And for example, if they are missing or you left them somewhere and you forgot where you left them, you simply get into this Find My Earbuds and you tap on Find It. And it starts producing. You can hear the sound, and the sound is very loud that you can hear it anywhere. With this sound, it will be easy for you to trace the earbuds. So this is a great feature on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now let's talk about the quick ambient sound. The quick ambient sound lets you hear your surrounding when you're listening to music by simply activating the ambient sound in a few seconds. So to do that, you simply get into the Galaxy Wearable app, then Touchpad. You make sure to customize either of the earbuds. So mine is on the right. So I choose quick ambient sound. So when you're listening to music and you want to hear your surrounding, you simply tap and hold. It activates the quick ambient sound so you can hear the surrounding or hear somebody talking to you. So this is a great feature, especially when you're running and you want to hear somebody talking to you. Simply tap and hold. It activates the quick ambient sound. It's a great feature. The Samsung Galaxy Buds has Bixby integrated. So you simply go into the Samsung Wearable app. You customize either of the earbuds for Bixby. So mine is the left. So I've customized Bixby on the left earbud. So if, for example, I'm wearing it, listening to music, just like this, and I want to get something, an information from Bixby, I simply tap and hold. What's the temperature right now? That's it. So it gives you the temperature, everything. So this is a great feature. That's all about this video, the 10 most important tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Buds. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on notification for more videos coming up on Big Field TV. Until then, see you into the next one. Peace.